welcome you back again to JapLang Language Services YouTube video channel. Today we will be learning another 10 characters of Katakana. We have already learned 10 characters in previous Katakana session. Today we have another group, that's another 10 groups out of 46 we'll be learning. So what today we'll be learning is particular this Saro and Taro. So Sa group and Ta group. So this is how it looks like: sa, she, su, se, so, and it sounds like this. We'll start from the beginning then. This is how it looks like: sa. Sa stands as sarada, sa as in sarada. You can relate with sod, surface layer of ground containing a mat of grass. Now this is I'm talking about this particular thing. It's called sod. This particular portion. Alright, so this is sod. Sa is sod. You can remember this sod. And this is how you write: first stroke order, then second stroke order, and then three stroke order. This is the third stroke order. We have got three stroke order. In the image you can see here, three stroke order we have: first, second, and third. We go to next alphabet, that is she. After sa we have she. She has seesaw. Like now when we were a child, we used to play seesaw in the park. She saw. And this is how we write: first stroke order, second stroke order, and then third stroke order. First, second, and third. First, second, and then third. Alright, these are three stroke order what we have in she. You can remember she has a funny smile, right? This is she. Thirteenth alphabet is su. So we have suki, skiing. What we go for skiing, right? So this is called skiing. Su has suki, we say suki. This is stroke order, first stroke order, and then second stroke order. First and then second. So we have only two stroke order. Why we have mentioned it here? Two stroke order we have. And you can read with so hanger is there where we hang our clothes, etc. So you can see suit hanger. Next alphabet is se. Se as seta. Se as in seta. This is first stroke order and then second stroke order. First and second. Right. You can relate with say something. Alright, this is a face of a person, and this is a teeth. Saying say something. Last letter of sa group is so. So as sauce, sosu. So don't get confused between she and su. Alright, so I'll just take it back. Tachi. That is sa, su, se, and this is so. Alright, so okay, we'll relate with when we are going to learn we will see how it looks like this self. This so as sauce, This is one stroke order and second stroke order. You can see, so it comes on top, right? One, and then it comes on top, all right? So this is a portion we have to take care of this. So, all right. So as stitch, you can see here. So let's have a small quiz. This character is, this is, all right, correct. This is she. Next is, so next is su, and the next character is se. Next is she. Next is so. Next is su. This is she. This is se. This is she. This is su. This is se. This is she. This is so. This is sa. This is su. This is sa. This is she. This is su. This is so. Alright, so now stage 2, reverse one quiz. This is, which one is so? First one, second one, or third one? Second one is the right answer. So will be this or this. Third is the right answer. Sa. Alright. She. Okay. So. Okay. She. Okay. Se. Okay. So. Okay. Se. Okay. She. Okay. Sa. Okay. So. Se. Sa. Su. Sa. So. Se. She. Sa. Alright, so we are done with the sa group. We will be starting with another 10, another 5. That is the ta, chi, tsu, te, to. This is ta, this is chi, this is tsu, 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 te, and to. This is ta, that is in takushi. This is stroke order, first stroke order, second stroke order, and third stroke order. 3 stroke order it has. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, we move to next slide. Alright, so ta is look like this. Alright, so you can see here, it's a weapon consisting of a fighting axe. This is called tomahawk, used by North American Indians. Next is chi. Chi as cheese. one stroke order, second stroke order, and third stroke order. So we have got three stroke order in this G. All right, three stroke order attach. G as cheer. Happy. When you're happy, you use cheers. All right, cheer. Su. So that's Suna. Alright, so don't get confused between she and su, right? So she always starts with here. You start from here. This is a starting point. Alright. Let's write starting point for she. This is she. Alright. This is she. S H I. But when we are talking about su, su a it looks like same, but it comes from top, right? So this is the starting point. Alright. So this is starting point, and this is su. T S U. So that's a difference, right? For she, we start from down, and for Tsu, we start from top. That's a difference. You can see here, Tsu, we are starting from top. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 stroke order. Tsu as balls and rats, you can relate with this picture. Ball and bat is there. Right? So next letter is Te. Te as in Terebi. This person is watching television. So 3 stroke order. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 stroke order attach. Okay, you can relate with this telephone pole. And the last letter is to. To is tomato. 1 and 2. 2 stroke order. 1, 2, 1, and 2 stroke order. Alright. So yeah, you can relate with toe. Our toe is the T in the toe. Toe. Toes look like the toe. So what we learned is ta, chi, tsu, te, to. And let's have a small quiz on this. Quiz time, stage 1. This is tsu, ta, chi. What is this? So what we got the difference is between she and su is, alright, so this is su. This is chi. This is ta. This is electric pole, telephone pole, te. This is chair, chi. This is to. This is again telephone pole, te. This is chair. This will be to. This T and to. This is again chi. This is ta. Says two. So which one is chi? This, or this? First one is the right answer. So, right answer. Ta, te, su, ta, chi, su, to. Thank you, Minasan. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be safe, keep smiling, and let's meet in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu.